Hi, you are welcome. Today's video, I will begin with a question. Imagine life without food enzymes. You may be thinking either we can live without them or die. Let's justify the answer. Almost all the food we eat are products of enzymes in one step or the other. The bread we take, yogurt, cheese, macaroni, juice, malt, beer, coffee are all products of enzymes. How about our local food? Some of our local foods are also products of enzymes. Masa, gurasa, fufu, and many more. In today's video, we'll be talking about food application of enzymes. Apart from producing foods with application of enzymes, food enzymes are also applied to extend shelf life, improve and enhance taste, color, aroma, texture. They also increase the amount or quantity of the final products. Before we proceed, for more video notification, subscribe to this channel, Easy Food Science and Technology. Starting with juice production, which can be made from apple, lemon, grape, orange, banana. Let's take orange because it is the cheapest. We will use a simple flowchart to show why, when, and where to apply the enzymes. Assuming the orange is sorted and washed, the next step is removal of the peel, usually using mechanical or kitchen tools. One finds difficulty during peeling, especially in a large amount, due to the hardness of the peel, which is made of pectin. An enzyme, pectinase, is applied to each peeling process. The next step is size reduction, in which the size is be reduced. The next step is juice extraction. It is a stage where the juice is obtained. The juice sac and cell wall are made up of cellulose. More juice are retained. Applying cellulase facilitates juice extraction and more yield by breaking down the cell wall and the sac. So cellulase is added to facilitate juice extraction and more yield. We will obtain an unclarified and viscous juice, which in most of the time consumers reject. We need to clarify and reduce the viscous. Hemicellulase, cellulase, and pectinase can be used to obtain a clear and less viscous juice. Other operations include heat treatment, flavoring, blending, and packaging. In meat industry, have you ever observed at home your mother or grandmother will extract some fruit juice and add it into a meat pot? Have you ever asked why? Or why butchers hanged meat for a few days? If you are enjoying this video, subscribe to this channel, Easy Food Science and Technology, for more video notification. When meat becomes tough, either through rigor mortis, one finds it difficult during handling and operation. More so, difficulty during chewing and less flavor. To free these difficulties, the meat is usually hanged so that the natural protease enzymes or the endogenous protease will act upon connective tissue, making the meat softer and tender. More so, the juiciness is exposed and increased. The juice from papaya contains this protease called papain and bromelain from pineapple. So, papain and bromelain are examples of protease. Applying pineapple or papaya juice in meat pot is just making the meat more tender and juicy. In milk and dairy products, this includes yogurt, cheese, and processed milk. Lactose is an important sugar in milk. However, some individuals are lactose intolerant, having some stomach ache and disorder. To free with this problem or disorder, an enzyme called lactase is added, which will break down the lactose, making the milk to be lactose-free milk. Milk spoils easily because of its nature. Some heat treatments are detrimental to the quality. In many instances, cold sterilization is employed with the use of enzymes. Lactose peroxidase is added to give hypocyanide, which has antimicrobial potential. Some sufficient hydroperoxide is added to initiate the reaction. The next product is cheese. One of the important and critical steps in cheese is coagulation, a stage where there is separation of casein and whey. Curd is formed in this step. Renin is employed as a coagulating agent. Another important enzymes are pepsin and protease and proteinase. They are used for ripening, a stage where flavor is developed. Lysozyme and glucooxidase are also used as antimicrobial, meaning they are used for preservation. Lipase, also an important enzyme, break down the long fatty acid into medium chain, which causes flavor development in the cheese. For more video notification, subscribe to this channel, Easy Food Science and Technology.